Grizz and I stopped for a minute to relax and take in the beauty of where we're at.
Onomatopoeia, yeah, it's a real word. Chris and Grizz find it on their walk.
Every morning that we walk, we get to see some beautiful views. Grizz so loves it, and I'm getting a kick out of it. It's keeping me healthy.
There's always something new to discover. It usually happens when you're not looking.
There's always something neat, something new, even in an area you've been at for quite a while. Sometimes when I'm here, I think of the book, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. I do notice that at these parks, pickleball tends to be played an awful lot by the RVers. And tennis tends to be played a lot more by the folks that stay here year-round. Sometimes I wonder, were we meant to play this game?
These two really look forward to their bro time.
Another beautiful morning. Grizz and I are headed out, doing our business. Gonna go over and visit with Paul for a little bit if he's around and up. And then we'll come back to the old homestead. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful place. Grizz and I stopped for a minute to relax and take in the beauty of where we're at. One of the things that Shelly and I do is we both use the i15 Pro Max. It's a wonderful camera. It has been taking really good care of us, and with this Blackmagic app, it's amazing some of the photos and videos that we've gotten from it. One thing that's interesting is when I'm using this app, and I'm still trying to figure everything out, I've got to remember if I want to use my lav mics, the ones that we have chosen is the Ulanzi. They're inexpensive and they're amazing. They work great, and they just work. But I have to remember that while using the app for Blackmagic, I have to go in before I use this lav mic and set it up for USB connections so that that's the source of the audio. It's not a big thing. It's just that you've got to remember to do it. And normally it defaults to just the iPhone camera mic. I've wondered a couple times, well, why is the audio so muffled or so quiet? It's because I had my hand over the speaker on the phone while I'm holding the phone trying to get the video. So using the lav mics is a whole lot better. It really works out well. Now, it is really sensitive, so I have to be careful not to really raise my voice or to really tone down the decibels on the lav mic's receiver portion that's plugged into the phone. Works great. We're doing well with it. So I'm still experimenting. There's a lot to learn and a lot to do with this particular system. But the videos and the audio on this have been rivaling my $5,000 camera. Love the camera. Great pictures, but it's big, it's heavy, and it's very conspicuous when we're out doing our walk and talks. So we'll see how this does. I'm going to experiment a little bit with the sound intensity. So talk to you again in just a little bit. Bye. Every morning that we walk, we get to see some beautiful views. Grizz so loves it, and I'm getting a kick out of it. It's keeping me healthy. Boy, attention to detail is amazing. We're walking out this time by the back side of the wood shop. And there's always something neat and something new, even in an area you've been at for quite a while. We're exploring places, sniffs, smells, and sights that Grizz hasn't seen in a long time. So he's taken the best advantage of it that he can. It's a good life. Well, good morning Sunday. Another quiet day. Hardly any breeze. Not too bad. We're doing our morning walk. We're gonna head out and see how many folks are still around. Maybe swing by the pool. Grizz and I are having a great time again. And we got church a little bit later on today. And then we'll come on back and do some more tinkering on the RV and the truck. Little things, I'll show you what they are. It's not much, but it's something that keeps me smiling. It's quiet around here. I enjoy it. It's just pretty nice. I have such a good time. Well, there's a lot of folks around or not, but sometimes just the quietness, the solitude is amazing. So we're going to give it a shot for a while. And if anything interesting comes up, I'll let you know. Talk to you in a bit.
Another summer with hopes that it won't be a whole lot longer before we can travel again. The desert can be a beautiful place, and as inhospitable as it can be, life and beauty find a way. Insiders, let us know if you've gotten any questions about your awesome hats while wearing them. Maybe drop a few selfies that we can post here of you wearing and where you're at.
We're out by the courts now, tennis and the pickleball. And sometimes when I'm here, I think of the book, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, because in the background I can hear the pocketa, pocketa, pocketa of the tennis ball and the pickleballs getting knocked around. It was a reoccurring theme in his novel. Just a thought.
So now you know that's pronounced onomatopoeia.
Hardly anybody out today. Just amazing. I do notice that at these parks, pickleball tends to be played an awful lot by the RVers. And tennis tends to be played a lot more by the folks that stay here year-round. They live in the park models. Love to get Shelley out someday and give it a chance to both of us play a little pickleball. I think it's something we could both handle. One day, we'll see. Sometimes I wonder, were we meant to play this game? I don't know. Be fun to give it a try. Right into the kitchen. I think Grizz is better at this than I am. But you know what? It's kind of fun. What do you guys think? Pickleball Chris? Pickleball Shelley? I don't know. So I wonder what it's like. Yeah, if I was to ever take this up, I'd definitely need to get some better shoes and a whole lot of practice in. Ah, goodness. Been a long time.
Please travel safe.